Hey guys, so today's video is something I've actually been wanting to do for a while and I'm pretty excited about. So I got big banners made of my handle and today I'm going to put them on my car, but first I'm going to try and get the sticker off that someone else put on here because it definitely doesn't fit in with the back, and I've tried a few things, but right now I'm going to try heat and see how it comes off. So that is awesome because I haven't been able to get that much off pretty much ever, and I've spent a lot of time trying to get the sticker off. So looks like I got it off. Pretty cool. Now I'm just going to try and get some of the sticker residue off. Got a few different tricks for that. Alright, so now that that's done, we're going to move on to putting the banners on the cars. So we'll do the back of this one first. I got a mini banner for right there. First you want to clean it real good. Now this is totally the wrong way to do this, but for something this short, I'm just going to kind of hold it and look at it and position it how I want and use the defroster lines as kind of a guideline. Back done. I think it looks pretty cool, and now we will move on to the front. Alright, so I got the front all masked out and I got the banner on it, and now I'm just going to peel the wrap and apply the actual banner. So all done. I think it looks pretty cool. I actually think it looks more than pretty cool. I think it looks awesome. But there you go. Lowristocrat Benz with the banner on it. Get the crap off the hood for you. So there you go, pretty awesome. Got the banner on there, looks sweet. Dange, come here. There you go, Lowristocrat. That's all for this video. I'll show you how to take the stickers off, banner up the OG Benz. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.